All right, let's get a check on the crypto market now. We see red, pockets of red again, just like yesterday. So it seems the sell pressure from most of the governments, especially Germany, we see that's not really winding down yet because we're still seeing weakness with Bitcoin's price. But Ethereum, on the flip side, just like yesterday, Ethereum is still managing to stay afloat at this time, 1.1% up. That we see major pockets of red also on the screen, going by coin 360 at this time. All right, let's get a check on the headlines right there and the market. Looking at ETFs pouring in. We're seeing those ETFs that had a couple of outflows, millions of dollar outflows. We're seeing some inflows at this time. So could it mean Bitcoin, those investors might be buying the dip at this time, because we saw about $438 million going to the US ETFs in the past trading sessions right there, a big gain of $438 million. And this is also happening when we see the German government offloading Bitcoin and at the same time buying up some Bitcoin. So all of this leading to uncertainty. The surge in investment comes as a time where cryptocurrencies have faced a decline of around 20% since early June. Then we see stolen crypto that's doubled in the first half of 2024. About $1.4 billion that's been lost to hackers, according to analysts at a cryptocurrency analytics company, that's TRM Labs. According to the report, the total amount of money that hackers took from January to June 2024 more than doubled that of the previous year over the same time period in the first half of 2023. So definitely you have to keep if you're holding cryptos, you need to keep it really safe at this time. All right, let's go to my next conversation now. Normally we talk about CSR as it relates to traditional companies. Let's discuss prospects for corporate social responsibility in the crypto industry. Joining us for this conversation is Adedayo Adebajo, is a co-founder, ICP.Hub Sahara. Great to have you on the show.
Great to be here. Thank you for having me here, Ladi.
All right. So do you see crypto companies, globally and back here engaging in some kind of CSR?
Yes, absolutely. I mean, prior to the time that we had the issue with Binance, there was something in relation to CSR when it comes to Binance, which is a crypto company, a global crypto company, so to say. And this is in relation to education and, of course, harms given as well to countries where this sort of support are required. But even aside from that, let's look at the potentials of using the technology behind cryptocurrency itself to enhance CSRs as given by organizations and all. It's, alongside with, when in comparison with the traditional method of delivering most of all these arms and support to nations, to states, how transparent are they, how efficient are they, and can they be automated, can the reporting be balanced, and can it be done in real time, among some other things, which is where the use of the technology behind the cryptocurrency actually comes in, making it easy to do most of all these activities, making it easy to automate, making it easy to actually audit, and then existing proof of origin, among some other things, making it possible to do all those corporate social responsibilities in real time with efficiency and, of course, cost reduction, among all. But when it comes to the crypto industries and the crypto companies, yes, a lot of them have participated in a lot of CSRs, which can be verifiable, which can be verified on the blockchain networks.
But with the bad rep, some of these cryptocurrencies have, when it comes to regulation, doesn't it hinder, crypto companies from actually doing some of this CSR?
Yeah, so the regulation aspect, I mean, a lot of crypto companies actually are shy away from where there are no regulations, because it limits their mode of operations or what they can do in those particular regions. But when you look at companies that are quite open to government regulation, and they are willing to also have deliberations with the government when it comes to regulation of crypto assets and digital assets, so they make it open and they make it possible to also support those governments, as it's seen during the time of war in some of the regions around the world. And also, we also witnessed something similar to that also in Nigeria, when Binance supported education of training of developers, among some other things, which came from their own budget, from the CSR budget to support African nations.
All right. So do you think maybe the government can do something to make these companies actually feel the need to carry on, with CSR, even though we know regulating cryptocurrency is definitely not easy, but we're seeing plans there to tax some crypto exchanges, at this time. What are you seeing for crypto regulation right now and taxing crypto? Is it going to be easy?
Yeah, it's actually doable. Let's say a year, 2 years back, or 3 years back, let's say the traders generally would think it is highly impossible to do. But seeing how the government have laid a lot of emphasis and some rigid control over existing crypto companies, Binance, for instance, Bybit and all, and right now they are having an understanding with KuCoin to have taxation for every Nigerian trading on their platform. So this is actually doable, and then it makes it also possible for them to request for them to be corporate socially responsible to the people that are actually using their platform, or probably to even the regions where majority of their customers are coming from. So this is actually something that is doable. Only if the governments are willing to step up, but not to stifle the regulation, but to make it very, very easy to do.
Right, don't stifle. Definitely, we'll see how regulation goes, because definitely we'll be talking about regulation from 2023, and it's still right here with us. Thank you so much, Adedayo Adebajo is the co-founder, ICP.hub Sahara. Thank you so much.
My pleasure. Thank you very much for having me once again.